Hey guys, this is Scott from Trim That Weed, and welcome to our video on the best beach wagon for soft sand. Watch until the end to find out our best recommendation from the list. Our list begins with BEAU JARDIN Folding Wagon. If carrying capacities and ease of use have a say in your choice of beach wagon, then the BEAU JARDIN Folding Wagon is your go-to option. The wagon has a large capacity with an internal size of 31 by 17.7 inches and a height of 10.6 inches. In addition to such a huge carrying capacity, the wagon consists of two fabric cup holders on its anterior end. BEAU JARDIN Folding Wagon is easy to use and requires no assembly. When folded, the wagon is small enough to fit in confined spaces such as closets and car trunks. The majority of the wagon is made from low-density fabric, hence it's lightweight and can be carried around comfortably when not in use. Its key advantage is its wide tires, which are capable of traversing any terrain without getting stuck or sinking in soft sand. 220 lbs Sekey Folding Wagon. The 220 lbs Sekey Folding Wagon is another powerful all-terrain wagon cart for soft sand. The wagon comes with 7-inch diameter wheels, which are almost 3 times wider than common wagons' wheels, a guarantee that the wagon won't sink in soft sand. 220 lbs Sekey Wagon has a coaxial steering wheel, making it easy to control, and an adjustable handle that can rotate as required. Its other compelling features include a wide capacity, brake function, and a high-quality, waterproof fabric that won't tear easily. It's worth mentioning that Sekey wagons come with a 12-month warranty. Max Sports Collapsible Beach Utility Wagon. If you're looking for a wagon that'll follow you through deep, soft beach and practically any other terrain, consider this collapsible beach utility wagon from Max Sports. The wagon has wide, ultra-rugged wheels that can glide through any terrain. Also, it has a long telescopic handle and a huge carrying capacity of about 150 pounds. Hence, it can fit a family's worth of accessories. Even better, its fabric part can slide off the metal framework for easy cleaning. Which is the best? The BEAU JARDIN Folding Wagon is the best beach wagon for soft sand due to its huge capacity, ease of use, and light weight. Besides its aesthetic makeup with 2 fabric cup holders on its front end, the wagon shrinks to a mere fraction of its size when folded. Hence, it can be carried or stored easily. Thanks for watching.